Hello everyone, welcome back to PitchGround. Are you struggling to manage your remote teams, attendance, HR processes, and employee performance? Then upgrade your remote teamwork with Remoty. This async platform is designed specially for remote and hybrid teams, helping you save time and money with automated HR operations. It improves collaboration through integration with team communication tools like Slack, MS Team, and Lark. Okay, so this is the Remoty website. You need to click on this Get Started and you can connect any of these three channels like your Slack or MS Teams or Lark. For now, I am clicking on Add to Slack. Whatever channel you have, it will appear here and you need to connect it. And then click on Allow. Next, click Open in Slack. It will redirect you to the page. You can download Slack for Windows or you can skip for now. So when the Remoty has been added, you can see it under the App section. Okay, so let us assume that this is your virtual office. You need to create a channel and name it as attendance. Okay, so here this attendance will appear. Click on this add channels to create a channel. Okay, so if any employee has started their working hours, they can type in /in. Click on send and the new questionnaire will appear here. So from here they can choose any project that they are working on. They can write anything they want, and then is what is your agenda next? Are you facing any blockers? They can choose yes or no. And what are you blocked on? They'll be able to fill this form and click on submit. So everyone will be notified what's going on, who is working on which project, when they are taking a break or not. It automates manual HR processes such as attendance management and leave tracking, reducing errors and administrative tasks. Next, I'm showing you if they are taking a break, how they can notify you. So here they can simply type. You can see these comments will appear automatically. So there is a break, there is in, there is back. Like if you are back from your break, you can select this option. Then there is dashboard, leave request, now and out. So after the working hours, if you are logging out, you can just click on this out. For now, I'm clicking on break and they can write anything they want like and then click on send. So you will be able to monitor what's going on, who is taking break and who is in and out. So you can get every information about your employees. So this process will actually give you the feeling of working in the same office. And after finishing the work, you can simply type out. So everything will be published here and you will get to know who is available or not. Now let's explore the leave management model of Remoty. Let me show you how any of you team members can take a leave directly from Slack. For that, go to this Remoty section under apps and you can see there is an option for leaves, right? Here is the apply for leave. Click on this and you need to fill this form. So select a date, then the ending date. Select the type of leave you want to request. There are sick leave, casual leave or annual leave. On clicking on sick leave, you can check or uncheck this button here, half leave. So next there is option for selecting the user to request the leave from. So this is usually the managers. And you can write any optional notes here. Click on submit. And here in this messages section, the manager will be notified that a sick leave has been updated. You can get a notification that this person has requested for a leave. You'll be able to see all the details. You can approve or reject the leave request from here. If you are approving it, in the same messaging section, the person requested for the leave will be notified that your following leave request has been approved by your manager. So in this messages section, the member will get an automatic update that whether the leave request has been approved or not. And in the home section, the leave quota will also get automatically updated. And on the day of leave, Remoty will automatically send a message to the channel and let everyone know that this person is on leave. So everyone can get their work done without making a person as a block. And this leave type will be reflected in the timesheet section of the Remoty, which is the Remoty web app. This is the time section you can see. Click on this. And you can see each and every person's report here. Who was absent, who was present on which day, when did they take leave and everything. You can also export a CSV file by clicking on here. And you can see a timesheet report is downloaded. If you click on this, you can see the detailed report of each employee. Okay, now let me show you how you can customize the leave types. For that, click on this settings, then click on leaves. Here you have default 3 types of leaves. which is sick leave, casual leave, and annual leave. If you want to add a new leave type, just click on this Add New Leave section. Type the leave name here and write down the leaves entitled. Select whether it's paid or unpaid and click on Save. And you can see a new leave type has been added here. Just go back to Slack, and if you refresh this page, you can see a new leave type, which is random, has been added here as well. You can also customize these options here. You can select the leave channels, leave notification time, and then renew leaves quota add. And if you want to add new leave type for any specific team, you can also select from this drop down, whether it's all members, managers, or any kind of team. Now let me show you how you can change the notification channel. For that, click on General. You can change the member types, then the shift time of any employee, and here there are other settings as well, like enable mandatory daily questionnaire, like get daily notes at check-in and get daily notes at checkout. And there are different questions that you can edit as well, like what have you worked on since your last stand-up, what is on your agenda next, are you facing any blockers, what are you blocked on, etc. If you want to add any new question, just click on here, type in your question, select the question type, is it open-ended or multiple choice, and then click on Save. You can add the options from here, select whether it's a required question or not, and just click on Save. It's that simple. Okay, next up we'll see how you can add a new project. Click on this Remoty tab here and you will see this home page. Click on this project option, and from here you can add a new project. Give a name to your project. Add some project details. Then select the due date and assign this project to someone, and then click on Create. So as soon as you create a new project, a new message will be sent. You can see this Remoty. You can see this one written here and in this message section as well. Click on here and the assigned person will get a notification that a new project has been assigned. They can see all the project details here. Go back to the home section, and under this project section you see a new project has been updated, which is the Marketing Campaign 2.2. And you can see all the details from here. You can also edit the project, archive it, update progress, switch to this project, or mark as done. Now the person obviously will get the notification whom you have assigned this project to, and in their daily questionnaire that I have showed you before, they will get a question that whether they are working on that project or not. So they will be able to select the process from there. And now I want to show you another process how you can add your projects here. If you are already using any project management tool and you have created all the tasks there, you no need to recreate all the projects from Remoty. You just need to integrate those apps. And for that, under the project section, if you scroll down, you can see this integrations. Click on this See Integration. You can just import your projects from Jira or ClickUp. If you click on this Integrate Jira, you can do that. You just need to click on this Integrate buttons and you can import all the projects from there directly to Remoty. For that, simply go to the web app of Remoty, and here you can see this Organization button. Click on this and here you can add your new team members, etc. For creating a new team, just click on this Add New Team, enter the name, select the channel, and also select the users. You need to first add your users and then just select your users whom you want in this team. You can select the designation, click on Save. You can see a new product team has been added here. Let's add another team, which is suppose Design Team. Select the channel and the user and click on Save. If you refresh it, you can see two teams has been added here. One is product team and one is your design team. You can edit anytime you want. You can add or remove any members you want from here. Next, under this member section, you can edit every details of your employees. Click on this edit here. You can see their name, email address. Then you have all their work information like joining date, confirmation date, compensation. You can add the employee type, whether they are a member, HR or manager. Edit the shift times, and you can also edit their questionnaires, what I already showed you before. After you've done all the necessary settings, click on Save. So under this member page, these questionnaires are slightly different from the other that I showed you before. These are for the individual person. You can edit any question for any particular individual. But the questionnaire I showed you, which is under this General tab, these are the questions that everyone in this team will get. Okay. So suppose you are selecting the product teams. So these are the questions that everyone under the product team will get. So these are the questions and settings that is for the particular team, not for any individual. Okay. In order to see some other settings, you need to go to Slack and click on Remoty tab, and then under the home section you can see this settings. So here are some other options that you can edit, which is like manage reminders, automate checkouts, access management, subscription details, etc. For manage reminders, you can edit the parameters like pick a user or team. You can select individual employee or the whole team. You can turn the daily reminders, then the check-in time and checkout time. Then in the automate checkouts, you have these options and these are the access management options, and then we have the subscription details. So this was a quick tour of Remoty. So upgrade your Remoty management today and eliminate the manual work with Remoty's lifetime deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Purchase the lifetime deal now exclusively at pitchground.com. You will get every details in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. See you in the next video. Bye guys.